Welcome to WebStylePress. Have you ever tried to create a file but operating system refused it? You can easily create a file by using terminal or command line program. This is helpful in case when you are unable to create a file for some reason. Let's say it's a system file or a hidden file, or it does not contain a name, for example .gitignore file. If I want to create a .gitignore file here, right click new and .gitignore, enter, and my system won't allow me to create this file. So I will create it, however, by using my terminal program. I am using Git for Windows and Git Bash. So right click Git Bash here in this folder, and then I will use a command touch dot git ignore, and as you can see git ignore was created. Touch file.txt, and the file was created. Touch file.docx, and as you can see file was created. So you can create files like this. If you are unable to create files for some reason, I hope you liked this small tip. Subscribe for similar tips on web development. Also hit bell icon to receive updates. Join us on social media. Stay tuned for more updates. I will see you in the next video.